The bishop wore buttless chaps to the bat mitzvah. Bat mitzvah. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! They're coming in through the back door! Oh no! Oh no! Grab the children! Save the children!
Fuck you.
Quick kiss.
Oh!
You like what you see, huh?
I needed. Oh shit! I threw myself off with the pit.
The slain civil rights leader was eulogized.
Stick your tongue out. Oh, sorry. Too fast. Okay.
Yeah. And you know what?
I do this?
You know what else?
That's totally good. That's rated G.
Hey, gang. You know what would make this great day even better?
What?
I'll wait till I get to my mark and then I'll tell you.
All right.
Yeah. Don't think. Let's take this out.
Let's do it.
Okay. We'll try to find out what interstate they're exactly on. If you want to help law enforcement, get up ahead of this thing, maybe create a civilian roadblock of sorts. Feel that. Tell me that doesn't feel like a cock.
It doesn't. I mean, that feels like your leg.
The other day, I pleasured myself to the image of Mrs. Buttersworth. She got me there like I was on the Express A train. Bing, bang, boom. Talk about a river of ejaculate. A volume I had never seen in my lifetime. Now I know what the villagers of Pompeii felt like. Now I know what those sad villagers of Pompeii felt like. Except where they were rained down on hot lava, I rained down on those villagers with frothy ejaculate.
You yell, I don't want to drink hot, frothy horse piss.
I don't want to drink
There are young children behind you watching this.
I get it. Startled. Quick kiss?
Sorry.
Get up on the 1, 2, 3. Cut.
Once again, Mr. Burgundy?
Studio 53. It's good to use when you're when you need to enter a war hole. I took that long to think of that.
What's the nickname for your penis when you were a po' boy?
Aaron Neville.
Oh, I thought it was Fat Tuesday.
I was thinking the same thing. Coney Island whitefish. In case you want to schmear.
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, God. In case you feel like schmearing all over your lady. Go on. Give her a pap smear. Oh, God. That's horrible.
Gosh, I've longed for you. I mean, missed you. Let me breathe you in.
What do you say we break the huddle, huh? Ready, set, break! Come on, man!
Settle down.
You settle down!
Easy. Let's ride this out.
What are you talking about? Let's ride this out.
Yeah, don't be silly. Take me now. What? Take me. Oh, get back here. What are you doing? Don't be weird.
You can't.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Hold on. Sorry.
You're describing the end of civilization. That's not news.
If that's the end of times, I got a front row seat with a big tub of buttered popcorn, and a greasy half-live chicken leg.
Hey, it's just two people doing what comes beautiful and naturally. You know, except one of them's just got millions of microscopic dust mites on his penis and testicles.
I'm running a business here, and you're running a judgment center.
Brick.
Brick's dead.
I'm sorry.
I'm champ.
I use a sling.
Use a sling on your penis?
Yeah, but this isn't my coverage, so it's not about me. What's your favorite fondant?
Grum grum.
Oh,
I'll do a different one.
it'll always
I'll
crack
just do
me
a
up.
different one.